Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Yuni Rostiani. My student's number is 1921220009 from class C. In this occasion, I would like to present about my research proposal. The title is Teaching English Vocabulary to Young Learners in Indonesian EFL Context, Challenges and Solution. So, let's start it. The first is about introduction, one of the most crucial aspects of teaching English as vocabulary. Because English is an international language, people must learn it in order to communicate with people all over the world. According to Mehring 2005, Carpenter and Olson 2011, vocabulary is a crucial part of learning a second or foreign language. Teacher can use a variety of techniques such as word lists and flashcards to efficiently teach vocabulary. The next is the formulation of the problems. The first is, what are challenges teaching English vocabulary to young learners? And the second one is, how does the teachers overcome the challenges? This operational definition is the keywords of this proposal. The first is English vocabulary. It is a collection of English words that serve as a means of communication and are commonly used daily. The second one is flashcard. It is a piece of paper or in the form of a card in which there is a picture accompanied by a word. And the last is word list. It is a piece of paper in which there is a list of English vocabulary that is equipped with the meaning of each vocabulary. Next is aims of the research. This study aims to find out the challenges faced by English teachers in the class when teaching English vocabulary and the solutions provided to solve existing problems. For the significance of the study, there are three important points. The first is theoretical use. This research will enrich the knowledge of young teacher in teaching young learners as well as provided experience in order to overcome the challenges that will be faced in the first year of English vocabulary. The second one is practical use. This research is expected to be used as a reference by young teachers as a profession to find out the challenges and solutions faced when teaching English vocabulary to young learners. And the last is empirical. This research will show how understanding contributing to dealing with the challenges faced and how the solution provided by a teacher in teaching English vocabulary to young learners. The next is literature review. The first point is in theoretical framework. In this theoretical framework, there are some points. The first is English vocabulary. One of the most crucial aspects of teaching English is vocabulary. In general, there are several ways to view vocabulary seen as Fins 2000, page 102, points out it can be viewed as either all the words in a language or as the international knowledge that speakers of that language possess. The second one is flashcard. Flashcard is one of the fun media for learning English vocabulary. According to Cross 1991, page 119, a flashcard is a straightforward image on a piece of paper or card and is likely the most popular visual aid in language instruction. And the last is word list. A word list is a piece of paper on which students write definition in their first language and second language. It is according to Baligazadeh and Astori 2011. The fourth is the challenges. There are two challenges. The first is young learners have limited attention spans. The second one is teachers frequently employ monotone methods or media. And the last is solutions. Teachers should act as their facilitator and provide them with the greatest material and techniques suited to their level. Flashcard media and word lists are able to make learning more enjoyable and make it easier for teachers to teach English vocabulary. The second point is study of the relevant research. So here are the example of the previous study. So, what distinguishes the author's research from the review's research is that the review's research focused only on students and also used the quantitative method, while the author's research was more on English teachers and used the qualitative method. The first point is on steps of the research. The first step is identifying the problem and solution. The second is reviewing literature. The third is objectives and research questions. The next is collecting the data and then analyzing the data, and the last is writing the report. The second point is time and place of the research. So you can see here on the table, this is the research schedule. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.